In the fast-paced world of financial trading, where every second counts, having the right tools can make all the difference. Enter jk-analyticsclub.net, a platform that stands at the forefront of technological innovation, offering a specialized edge in cryptocurrency and CFD trading. jk-analyticsclub.net isn't just another trading platform. It's a sophisticated hub, meticulously designed for modern traders and investors. Whether you're dealing in stocks, forex, commodities, or the ever-volatile world of cryptocurrencies, this platform provides everything you need to trade with confidence and efficiency. With a user-centric interface that seamlessly integrates all your trading activities, jk-analyticsclub.net ensures that managing your investments, especially in crypto CFDs, is as smooth as possible. Access a wide array of asset classes and execute complex trading strategies with just a few clicks. At the core of jk-analyticsclub.net's success are its advanced analytical tools powered by cutting-edge machine learning algorithms. These tools analyze historical data, identify patterns, and forecast future market trends, giving you a critical edge in crypto CFD trading. But that's not all. jk-analyticsclub.net takes trading efficiency to the next level with its sophisticated algorithmic trading functionality. Say goodbye to human error and emotional bias. These algorithms execute your crypto CFD strategies with unparalleled precision and speed. jk-analyticsclub.net's commitment to offering a superior trading experience is further evidenced by its dynamic pricing architecture. Competitive spreads, real-time adjustments, and scalable pricing models ensure that you always trade crypto CFDs under the most favorable conditions. Recognition in the financial industry speaks volumes. jk-analyticsclub.net has earned multiple prestigious awards, from Best CFD Broker at the TradeON Summit 2022 to Best Trading Platform at the London Summit 2020. These accolades are a testament to the platform's excellence and impact. As we look to the future, jk-analyticsclub.net is poised for continued growth and innovation. With plans to expand features, integrate emerging technologies, and reach new markets, especially in the crypto sector, this platform is set to drive the future of online trading. Join the ranks of savvy traders who trust jk-analyticsclub.net. Experience the cutting edge of crypto CFD trading and take your strategies to the next level. Visit jk-analyticsclub.net today and start trading smarter.